Hi, I was asked to do a video of the BlakFella. This is what it looks like. A little copper wire there on the end. There's a cedar bridge. It's made from black walnut from Ontario. And it's also got, the gourd is made from a marten. I don't know if you can see the detail, the burn details. And then that work. And also, you can see my signature. So, with the brand. So here's a song called Little Bird, and I'm just learning to play banjo, so forgive any mistakes. Here we go. Little bird, oh little bird, fly through my window. Little bird, oh little bird, fly through my window. Little bird, oh little bird, fly through my window. Buying molasses candy, fly through my window. My sugar love, fly through my window. My sugar love, buying molasses candy. Little bird on BlakFella gourd banjo.